Hi, my name is Lisa Roberts. I'm a midwifery practice education facilitator at Swansea Bay University Health Board. I've been asked to put together this short video just to explain a little bit more about my role, my daily duties, and to just give you an insight into a different career option within the midwifery sector. I thought it would be good to start with where I've come from and how I've got to where I am today. So I came into midwifery quite late. I'd had my children, I'd had a number of roles within education and healthcare, but midwifery was something that was always there. It was always something I really wanted to pursue. So in 2011, I started my course in Swansea University. I qualified then in 2014 and went on to become a registered midwife working within Singleton Hospital within a matter of weeks of finishing my course. Initially, I was a rotational midwife, so I would rotate around the different areas within the unit, so the labour ward, antenatal and postnatal, until I realised actually I had a real passion for midwifery-led care, and I settled as one of the core members of staff then within the midwifery-led unit in Singleton. Supporting students was always something I was really passionate about. It was always an area that I felt was of great importance within my role. I truly believe that to grow the profession, we need to be supporting and nurturing our student midwives and ensuring that they go on to be confident and competent practitioners who will then pay that forward to their students and create this cycle where we really grow the workforce in that, like I said, nurturing and supportive way. That being said, then when a role for the midwifery practice education facilitator came up, I couldn't pass it by. It was something that I know was just exactly what I wanted to do, exactly where I saw myself progressing in my career. So my role as a midwifery PEF, because it rolls off the tongue slightly easier, I feel is to bridge a gap. So it's to bridge a gap between the student, the university, and the placement area. Okay, I make sure that we're all kind of working as one team around that student to make sure that students' learning experience, that students' course, that students' training is everything that they need to be to, like I said, go on to be confident and competent practitioners. Within my role, I am responsible for ensuring that the placement area is of high standard, that the learning experience is quality. I do regular audits to maintain those standards and ensure that quality is there. Obviously, if I identify anything, it would be up to me then to put in place plans to bring up the standards and ensure that we are giving each and every student the best learning opportunity within that placement area. I'm also responsible for training staff and maintaining the level of training with staff. So depending on when you're watching this, we had new standards brought in 2019, and they were the standard student supervision assessment, and they changed slightly the way we support and assess students. So my role as a midwifery PEF is to make sure that all staff were prepared for those changes, and going forward it is about maintaining that training with the staff. So those newer midwives coming in are being trained to go on to support the student midwives. I'm also there to support any concerns. So if there are any issues with students, if there are any issues with staff, it is something that I'm there to kind of step in and facilitate plans to address concerns, address issues. Like I said, I have strong connections with the university, so I look at getting involved with meetings where we know there are going to be any programme changes or any changes to programme standards, just to make sure that, again, those lines of communication are kept open. I also try and link in with any teaching opportunities, because I think it's really important that the students see somebody from the clinical area within the university setting to, again, create that real team feeling. I am very lucky to do a dual role, so I still am a clinical midwife. I still work clinical hours alongside my midwifery PEF hours. So my week can be completely varied. I can be one day at a water birth with a family, watching them welcome their little one into the world, and the next day I could be training some staff with regards to practice supervisor and practice assessor standards. I could be in a meeting with the university talking about changes to the programme, or I could be with a group of students getting feedback from a placement area. So I have a really varied working week. From a career progression point of view, continual professional development is something that is supported and encouraged within all areas of midwifery. At the moment, I'm currently completing my PG cert, and I hope to go on to complete my Masters in the next 2 years. Again, fully supported by my health board, fully supported by my managers. We are a profession that will continue to grow and strengthen as we go. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. There's plenty of other videos, plenty of other links to other specialist midwives, other members of the multidisciplinary team, all those who will be present within the maternity and obstetrics area. So enjoy browsing.